In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Crypto Screener on TradingView on mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do is actually go to their official website. So you cannot do it inside the app itself. You want to go to their website, so tradingview.com, inside your mobile browser, okay? This can be any browser. Just go to their link and you're in here. Now, then you want to tap on the top left where you can see the three lines. And then from here, when you tap on those, you want to go to products and you want to tap on the arrow next to products. And then in here, individual tools, you can see screeners. Tap on screeners, and then in here you can basically see it says crypto coins over here in the middle. So you simply want to tap on crypto coins, and whenever you do this, it's going to give you the crypto coins screener. Okay, now in here, of course, you can change it if you wanted to view it like that. So if you want different views, you'll have to sign in, but of course you can use filters and stuff like that to basically see your cryptos however you want them inside this screener. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.